Tired of feeling like your round face limits your style options? Discover the 10 most slimming long pixie cuts that will redefine your look. 1. Asymmetrical long pixie. The dramatic difference in length, with one side significantly longer and swept across the forehead, creates diagonal lines. These lines effectively elongate the face and draw the eye away from the cheekbones, providing an instant slimming effect ideal for fuller cheeks. Adding subtle layers to the longer section allows for increased volume at the crown and a softer frame around the jawline. This combination breaks up the roundness and adds desirable height, making the face appear more oval, suitable for fine to medium hair textures. 2. Long pixie with side-swept bangs. Side-swept bangs are a powerhouse for round faces as they cover a significant portion of the forehead, reducing the visible width of the face. The angular swoop cuts across the face's curvature, creating sharp, flattering angles that add structure and definition. Pairing long, side-swept bangs with overall texture and choppy ends prevents the style from looking too helmet-like. The movement and uneven ends soften the jawline and visually narrow the bottom half of the face, perfect for those with a wider chin area. 3. Shaggy long pixie. The Shaggy style utilizes abundant, varied length layers to create controlled messiness. This adds height and volume on top while the layers softly hug the sides of the face, subtly concealing roundness and adding a modern, edgy flair. A slightly longer shaggy pixie that hits just above the jawline can be styled forward to frame the face. The choppy ends break the continuity of the round perimeter, adding much-needed vertical lines and reducing horizontal emphasis. Excellent for thick hair. 4. Long pixie with tapered sides. Tapered sides are essential for a round face because they minimize the bulk at the temples and sides, which often adds width. By keeping the length concentrated on top and the sides short and clean, the style elongates the neck and draws the eye upwards. A softly graduated taper allows for a smooth, slimming transition from the voluminous top to the jawline. The softness prevents harsh lines and offers a sophisticated, classic look while still achieving the desired facial slimming through height and reduced side volume. 5. Curly long pixie. The natural volume and lift of curls on top are excellent for adding height, which instantly balances a round face shape. Allowing the curls to fall slightly past the ears without excessive width at the sides maintains the slimming vertical line. For looser curls or waves, a long pixie allows the texture to cascade gently, breaking up the round outline. The texture adds dimension and draws attention to the eyes and away from the width of the cheeks. Best for medium-density curly hair. 6. Faux hawk long pixie. The faux hawk uses extreme vertical volume through the center of the head. This height is the single most effective technique for elongating a round face. The closely cut or pushed back sides further narrow the face profile, creating a sharp, modern appearance. A softer version of the faux hawk with less extreme sides and a more swept back top offers a sophisticated, yet still height maximizing, option. The lift at the root and backward direction pulls the face up and back, creating a slender illusion. 7. Layered Pixie Bob Lop. The Pixie Bob or Lop extends the length to the chin or jawline, using strategically placed layers to contour the face. By ending the longest layers below the chin, it avoids adding bulk at the widest part of the face and provides a sophisticated, versatile length. Adding a deep side part to the Pixie Bob creates diagonal asymmetry, which is key for reducing roundness. The weight of the hair falls beautifully to the side, covering the outer cheek and visually slimming the entire profile. 8. Long pixie with undercut. An undercut removes significant bulk from the sides and back, forcing the longer top layers to lay flatter and cleaner against the head. This drastic reduction in side volume is extremely effective in making a round face appear narrower and the cheekbones more defined. Dialing the long top section with some backward movement and slight height allows the closely shaved undercut to show, enhancing the sharp, vertical lines. This technique minimizes the width and brings a fierce, modern edge to the style. 9. Textured long pixie with volume. Creating significant, lasting volume at the crown and root area adds essential height and lengthens the overall face shape. Heavy texture throughout the top and front layers prevents the style from looking flat and draws the focus upward. Using a PC, slightly tousled finish on the long layers around the face softens the perimeter while maintaining height. This contrast between soft frame and high volume is highly effective at de-emphasizing facial roundness. Great for adding life to fine hair. 10. Sleek and polished long pixie. A sleek, straight finish with a deep side part provides a smooth, narrow contour around the face. The lack of volume at the sides, combined with the angled sweep of the hair, minimizes the face's width and gives a refined, polished silhouette. This style relies on geometric precision. The long, clean lines of the hair, especially when cut to frame the chin, create a sharp, angular effect that counteracts the roundness of the face. It's a sophisticated choice that demands a neat, perfect finish